Apples and pears, nourished by the sun and soil and kept in tip-top condition by nature's little helpers, the perfect takeaways from nature. TruCape Fruit Marketing was started in 2001 as a joint venture between Sierra's fruit growers and Two a Day. From day one, it had a clear mission to get the grower closer to the market. Following strict international guidelines and protocols, we carefully control every step of the journey, from hand-picking the very best apples and pears to sophisticated packing and storing methods to shipping and marketing. TruCape supplies over 2.4 billion apples and pears to more than 100 countries across the globe. That's almost 238,000 tons of fruit per year. Our commitment to freshness and quality begins in the orchards of the Grabo, EGVV, Sierras and Langkloof valleys and our state-of-the-art packhouses. The mild Mediterranean climate, fertile soil and sheltered valleys create the perfect conditions for growing world-class fruit, which is why farmers have been doing so for more than 350 years. With our unique cultivar process, we are always one step ahead of market needs, growing over 25 varieties of apples and pears. We also aim to remain at the forefront of cultivar development to meet ever-changing consumer demands. In 2015, cultivar developer Buck Snell came across a vibrant red mutation of a gala apple. We call it Big Bucks. Sustainable farm practices and targeted pest management minimize our impact on the natural environment. We adhere to strict environmental protocols to protect the diversity of our rich natural floral kingdom. This includes water-wise farming, buffer zones, and sterile insect techniques. TruCape controls every part of the process of getting delicious, top-quality fruit to customers across the world. And here's how it works. Apples are grown to perfection until they are ready for hand-picking. They then travel to one of our 3 packhouses where they are carefully washed and cold stored to keep them in perfect condition. When they need to be packed, they are washed again and hand sorted. Only top quality fruit make it through to our state-of-the-art sorting machine, which takes up to 80 infrared photos of each fruit. No blemish goes unseen, and we make sure our apples and pears not only look great, but are also perfect inside, deserving of the TruCape label. Whatever doesn't answer our strict controls is used for juice or converted into renewable energy that powers our juicing facility. Next, the fruit is packed in environmentally friendly cartons or flow wrapping, which we produce ourselves to perfectly comply with the International Pallet Standard and customized to our clients' unique requirements. Finally, the packed fruit goes into cold storage until they're ready to be distributed. TruCape recently upgraded City Deep, our storage and distribution center in Johannesburg. This brand new 4,000 square meter facility is a convenient collection point for our customers. What's more, we've built special working and rest spaces, complete with showers and kitchen facilities for those who have far to travel. TruCape is a familiar presence in many of South Africa's best-loved supermarkets. And thanks to expert marketing, is a trusted brand across the world. All of TruCape's international activities are run out of our head office in Somerset West. Here we keep our finger on the pulse of market trends and constantly support our growers by providing scientific and technical advice. TruCape is an active player in its local communities and believes in giving back through various sports and culture initiatives. Delivering perfectly natural wonders around the world and staying true to our promise of quality and taste. That's what goes into every TruCape fruit.